hear sound through metal. I'll show you. Put your ear up against a metal fence. Then have a friend go to the other end and tap on it. You can hear the sound through the fence ear before your other ear. Sound travels 18 times faster through metal than it does air. It's sound!
Here's another cool experiment. Put your ear up against a brick building. Now have a friend go around the corner and tap real softly. You can hear the tapping through the bricks. Sound travels faster through bricks, too. It's science.
It's sound!
Science.
Sound!
Science.
Sound!
Sound.
Science.
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 Sound!
Science.
Sound!
Science.
Sound!
Science.
Sound.
Science.